Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. It's lucky for us 13. How are you guys today? Do you remember what we will look at this week? Yep, it's tea. No, wait. Cups. No, wait. Cups are made of ceramic. That's our important word this week. Let's say it again. Ceramic. Ceramic. Good word. Well done. Yes. So, ceramic is the material. What is ceramic? That's quite an important word, isn't it? The main part of ceramic is clay. That comes from rocks. You may have it in your garden. What? Well, I haven't got rocks in my garden. Clay soil is very common. It's very sticky. If your garden sometimes gets really muddy and sticky and it's very difficult to dig, then maybe it's made of clay soil. So, how does soil turn into a cup? Well, of course, that is what we are here to find out. It's going to be another long process. Clay is terrible for growing things in because it gets very compact. New word, a new word, compact. Compact means squashed together. This is why the plants don't really like growing in clay. It just gets really squashed together. Not good for strong, healthy roots. So, is it mined? Do you remember the word from last week? Mine, where we go deep into the ground to get the rock. Well, not clay. It is really easy to get out of the ground because it is brittle. Very easy to break up. It breaks easily. I remember the word. Do you? I think this might be the third time we've seen the word brittle. It means breaks easily. So sometimes a good quality, sometimes a bad quality. This time, it's good. That's right. Have you ever played with clay at school? Maybe in art class. I have played with clay. It's fun because it's quite dirty. It is sticky and easy to shape. That is what makes it great to make cups and plates and mugs. That is the basic idea as to how we will make the cup. Lots of other steps to talk about in the lesson. So, another long process to make another material. Oh, I'm looking forward to this, guys. I've still got my hot cup of tea next to me. See you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.